This house, beautiful. The roof, let's go check it out. Whenever you do a roof inspection, there's a couple things you want to look for. The first thing is granule loss. So checking out to see how many granules are in the gutters. Sometimes it's small like this, but a lot of the times when the roof is, time to be replaced, they are completely filled. Other things you want to look for, the staining. We did have some rain last night, so this is what the shingle actually looks like. These will dry off after a while and look pretty much like this, or it'll have the staining. We are going to get on the roof, and what we are looking for is nail pops, cracked shingles, stuff like that. So let's see if we find any on this project. Okay, so we have some cracked shingles right here in this valley. Granule loss right here on these edges, so you're going to start to see that fiberglass. Okay, a little bit of moss growth on here, nothing crazy. This roof, I think, is about 22 years old. Again, we have the fiberglass right here. So here's a sign of just bad workmanship. They ran out of cap shingles, so they just used regular shingles, which will not the right thing to do, not the correct material, but you got these exposed nails. These are eventually going to fly off. You got a nail that was left. That's going to act as a conduit for water. 3-inch plumbing boot. Never walk on the ridge. Okay, some more moss growth. 2-inch boot, 3-inch boot. Some wavy lines over here. Some more moss growth. Overall, the roof looks to be in decent condition. I don't think we require a replacement on this one, but it's good the homeowner was trying to get ahead, for sure. I'll probably give him a price just so he's available, or just so he knows exactly what the project might cost him. It looks like he really does need new gutters though. Let me actually go check those out. Yep, we got a nail pop in a tricky spot right here. Gutters aren't working the way they're supposed to. We've got water just sitting in here. Some more staining. Okay. Ooh, is this some patchwork? Looks like some shingles were repaired in the past, that's for sure. Didn't notice that before, but you can see these shingles are a different color. We have a homeowner that I would say is being proactive about their roof. They don't have any leaks, but they got a letter in the mail from some other roofer locally that said, hey, I think it's time to replace your roof. Maybe they're being bothered by their insurance company, who knows? But I did an inspection on the house, and these are my findings. Staining, a little bit of moss growth. They've had some patchwork done in the past, a few nail pops, some cracked shingles. The gutters are in bad shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna provide this homeowner with an estimate. I'm gonna tell him that he's got a little peace of mind as far as, in my opinion, having any leaks in his home, but we want this homeowner to be proactive. We want all the homeowners to be proactive, and all they need to do that is just have us out for an inspection so that I can tell you exactly what's going on.
10 Point Roofing. Reliable roofing done right.